Good morning. So today I decided to film something a bit more different. I always say this, but I'm taking you shopping with me, kind of. So I need to buy some knitwear, some just like basic winter kind of stuff because it's really cold. As you can see, it's raining all day here in Edinburgh.
Okay, you guys, so I'm starting with River Island, which, sometimes I do find there some cute stuff. So I decided to pop in to see what they have in store for the Black Friday thing. And I really like these boots, nude ones. I think they look really cool. Now I also wanted to show you my outfit of the day, because why not? I'm wearing my Harris Wharf coat, Shop Toby jumper, and my triple S Balenciagas with my Topshop coated black jeans, which I love so much. I decided to start with this jumper. I really like the color palette of this one. I tried it in a size M, because usually I like to wear my just jumpers a bit more oversized for winter because it's a bit more cozy, and I like the color palette. As I said, for some reason they all look kind of neutral colors to me, even though you have some pastels in there. They look really nice together, and I like the sleeves. I really like how it's knitted in a way. The collar situation, the high neck, it's always nice for winter because it will just keep you warm. And I really like actually how this fits for the size M. It's more like a jumper dress in a way, so I love that. Next, UK 10, this coat in like a baby blue, pastel blue situation with black buttons. Sorry, I had a brain fart. This is a bit more structured. I think that it fits pretty good, and I really like the color again. The back is nice as well. Usually with these structured coats, my ass will just pop in a way at the back, but whatever. This is the composition. I will show you the composition so you can pause and see. It's not the best, but it's not, it's okay, let's say like this. And it has it's made of a very warm, kind of a bit more fluffier material, so I definitely love that. It's quite warm and cozy, so this was a good one. Moving on to this beauty, again in UK 10. This is a jumper. It's quite short, so I was not sure about this one in the beginning, because I like to cover my butt with jumpers because it's very cold outside. But hey ho, sometimes you do wear these kind of clothes as well because they're so cute. I love this kind of pink salmony color. Again, the neck, the sleeves, all this structure that you have on top, it's really nice. It's, again, the material not the best. You don't have wool in it. It's more like just synthetic stuff, but it was quite warm. And I don't know, I think it looks really cute, especially maybe with a skirt, now that I'm thinking. So yeah, it's a really cool one. Moving on to this one in UK 8. This looks, again, quite expensive, especially because I think it was around £35, something like this. Of course, you can see it's a bit more see-through and it's not the warmest one. But again, it's quite cozy. I love how it's knitted, all the details. And it has a bit of, that hair that peeks through in a way from jumpers when they're really, really soft. Yeah, this has that. So it has this structure that I absolutely love. Again, acrylic, polyester, so this is why it's not as expensive, but it was quite warm, and I love this creamy off-white color. I think that it looks really, really nice. Now this one, again, UK 10. This is not lined. I got it. I wanted to try it because of the color, because it's this yellow color, and I'm really into yellows right now. I don't know why. I have a yellow mood. Yellow, mustard, everything like this. It's that teddy coat kind of material in a way, even though I don't think this has more like, again, synthetic fibers in it. It's not warm at all because the material, it's not thick, it's quite thin. Yeah, you can see in here the composition, and I don't know, I feel like it's just an odd fit for me. even though it's not bad, it's just, yeah, it's just not the best. I don't know. I was a bit disappointed in this one, to be honest. So, yeah. Next, I will show you a bit of Edinburgh because I love my city. Well, my actual city right now. It's quite rainy, it's quite windy, but yeah, what can you do? Nothing. You just stay inside more, and that's it. I also wanted to pop into Topshop. They do have really nice knitwear. Topshop, I really like their shoes. Sometimes I find some really nice pieces, some dresses, but I feel like for a high street they're quite overpriced for what you actually get because the quality is not amazing. I really liked these diamond tea kind of purse, this situation. I really like this. I need to get one. So the first dress, honey, this is for party. It was quite, I don't know why I feel like this is an odd shaped dress for me, for my body. I don't know. It makes me look not good. Not good at all. I like the frill and this pink with glitter. It's so festive, and the off-shoulder, kind of one-shoulder situation again, so festive, so nice. It was very, very short for some reason, and because I don't have boobage, it kind of stays there. It just hangs in there, not in a very good way. So it's a nice material, but not a good fit for me. Next, I tried this coat, which is a classic, I guess. You have, just typical black and white, kind of like a mixture of, I don't know how to describe this print. Kind of like houndstooth with some just vertical diagonal lines. I don't know how to describe it. I like the color, I like the fit of this one. It's quite oversized. I think the dress and this one were in the size 10. I forgot to film the composition and the size, so I'm sorry about this in Topshop. Yeah, it's quite oversized. It was okay, not my favorite. Yeah, kind of neutral about this one. Now this, however, it's my favorite. I love this pinky color. It's like more of a muted, darker pink. It's really lovely in real life. And on camera, the color is pretty accurate. I love this teddy coat style. I was looking for this kind of coat for a long time, but unfortunately, this was a size, I think UK 10, but it has some defect, so I decided not to pick it up and to wait for a new one, maybe to buy it online, so I hope to find it online. But yeah, it's really, really cozy, really warm, very thick, and just plush. I love these kind of things. And this is another jumper that I tried in Topshop. This looks really expensive. Do you agree with me? This kind of looks very expensive. Something, I don't know what brands they have really expensive knitwear. Acne, maybe. It's quite oversized. This is in the size small, but look at the details, how it's knitted. This V collar, again, amazing. And it's quite thick. It's, that quality knitwear, quality jumper. Yeah, this looks extremely expensive. I'm not sure about the fit because it's quite like, I don't know, these sleeves are quite big and a bit more boxy, so I don't think that this flatters my body, but it looks expensive. And this one again looks very expensive. I think this was around £40 kind of situation mark. Again, it's knitted very well, all details. It's quite rich. I love these very rich kind of knits. Again, it's quite short for me. I think this one, it was a UK 8 or size small or something like this, and it's very short. But again, if you size up, it will be very, very kind of baggy, very big. So yeah, for some reason I don't like this shape for jumpers. I like more when they're a bit more structured because they do flatter my body more. But yeah, again, this one, really nice quality, really thicker liters. So yeah, a good one. Moving on to this peacoat in this really interesting houndstooth. It's like a mixture of black, white, and blue. Even though I don't think this looks as classy, I think just the white and black one will look more classy. You can wear that with more stuff. For some reason, this print always it's kind of weird to. It's kind of hard for me to style it, and especially if you have the blue. I really like. You can see here the structure. It's very thick. It's very warm and nicely made, but because of the color combo, I just don't think I will be able to, wear it with many things, although it's really well made. But it was also quite expensive. I think it was around £100. So yeah, it's good that now they still have the Black Friday situation. I think 20% off, something like this. And next, I decided to try this one, which you saw in the mannequin in the beginning when I was just going in Topshop. Again, the color combination is very well done, this one. For some reason, this looked really good on the mannequin, but for me, it looks like meh. I don't know. I kind of don't like it. Even though I love the structure of this one, I love the fit, the pockets, I love the color. But the color combination in this print, I was not so sure about this one. And again, it was quite expensive, so yeah, it was a bit more on the thinner side, so I don't think it's worth the price, but whatever. Now, H&M. H&M, for me is a hit or miss. Sometimes I do, however, find in there some items that I wanted to buy online, but they were out of stock, so that's always a good one for me. I always like to pop in to see what they have in store. So the first thing, I tried this jumper in the size medium. This one had a good composition, so it has some wool. It's really warm. It's a bit more on the expensive side. I think it was around £60. I think you saw the price. But yeah, it's quite big. I think an S, a small, would fit a bit better. But they had only the medium in store, so yeah, I decided to try this one. But I love the high neck. I love how it's kind of more of a flowy jumper. You have this fluidity, so yeah, I love how it just hangs down. And also the creamy color, it's always a classic and will look good with a lot of other things in your wardrobe for sure. The skirt in the size 6 and the jumper in the size small. This one has really good composition, mohair, wool. The skirt, usually I'm a UK 8, but they had only UK 6 in the store, so I decided to try it. So it was quite tight on me, but yeah, I wanted to try this combination, and I really like it actually. I like this mint color with this kind of brown reptile print. I don't know exactly what this is, but it looks cool, looks interesting. The jumper, it's my favorite. I think it's so warm and cozy. It's very, very hairy, as you can see, but I don't know, this kind of gives the jumper like a really nice structure and kind of an aura. You can see you have an aura on the jumper. It's really nice. It's one of my favorite actually, and I like the mint color. Next, this shirt, again, it's a favorite of mine. I actually wanted this in cream, but they didn't have it in stock. And I love the sleeves. I love these like poet sleeves, bell sleeves, I don't know how you call them. For some reason, they're so kind of romantic, elegant, and I don't know, aristocratic in a way. I love them, and I love how this shirt is made in general, and it feels really nice on the skin too because it has modal. And the last item is this jumper, again, super oversized. This one I got in the size medium, and you can see that it's on the sleeves. It's very long, very big on me, but as I said, I like this oversized fit for my jumpers, so I don't mind that. And again, this mustardy color, I'm telling you, I'm into these colors right now. So yeah, this one, again, was a nice, warm one. Love this. Okay, so I'm back home. I came back home, changed my clothes, started editing, but I wanted to finish somehow this vlogish kind of come shopping with me. And I must say that every time I go shopping, I'm so exhausted by the end of the day, because I don't know, even though I don't do anything, like I just wear those clothes, I try them on. It's exhausting for some reason. This is why I don't like shopping, like going to shop in a physical store. I like to shop online more. Only if it's more like expensive stuff, I will usually go. I shall see you in some other videos, in my future videos. I will film very soon 2 hauls. In one, I will have the high street, more inexpensive kind of stuff that I bought, and in one, I will have more on the expensive side kind of pieces. So yeah, let me know if you like this kind of videos, or maybe you want more vlogs, maybe, I don't know, or maybe more makeup tutorials. Let me know what you want to see on my channel. Okay, bye.